Welcome, in front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your automatic screen rotation doesn't work properly on this phone. So, in order to check your auto screen rotation, just grab your phone and try tilting it to different sides and see if this changes the position of your screen. And also try doing this in different applications, and in case nothing happens for you, then probably means that your auto rotation is disabled. And to enable it, slide down the control center, then tap auto rotate, then try to do the same thing and see if your device's display rotates. Also try doing it in different applications, and as you can see, it's already working for me. But in case it's still not working for you, then maybe you should reset your gyroscope. And to do this, just press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, then select restart, and then wait until your device is restarted, and then check this feature once again. And once your phone is restarted, unlock it and try opening different applications and try tilting it once again, and as you can see, everything works fine, and I hope that it does for you too. And if it does, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.